When you log in to create a new work order, you will notice that the work order screen has changed. This video will highlight those changes. The top section of the work order screen has remained the same, displaying the office, property, account to charge, short description, and type. Likewise, the information that displays to the right regarding the current balance on the account, the checkbox to indicate if the work order has been printed, and the ability to indicate the priority of the work order have also remained the same and in the same location. The middle section has been rearranged by adding the fields that used to display below the vendor's amount and expense type drop-down menus to the right of these drop-downs. Below the middle section, you will notice new fields. If a reservation has been assigned to this work order, you will see a drop-down menu giving you the ability to select a task to be added to this work order. You will also see a box to indicate whether or not the item being addressed in the work order is a safety item and is therefore required to be completed before the guest can check into this property for the next reservation. Both of these items are related to Readiness Manager. For more information on work orders and Readiness Manager, please visit our knowledge base and watch the videos on that topic. Regardless of whether or not you have assigned a reservation to this work order, you will notice 4 text fields in the bottom section of the work order screen. One for a long description, one for a new note, one for warranty notes, and one for history. The information entered in the long description field will display on this screen as well as in the vendor portal under the summary section. If you would like more information on the vendor portal, please visit the knowledge base and look for the videos on that topic. The new note field is for internal use only. The information that is entered here in this box will only display under the history section on the work order screen. If you add a new note and click Add New Work Order Note, you will see the note added to the history section on the screen. The history section will show the history of a work order, much like the reservation history shows the history of a reservation. It will automatically track when a work order is completed, and it will display any notes that have been added under the new notes section. It will also indicate if a note has been added through the Readiness Manager grid or the vendor portal, or if anything has been updated on the work order itself. The fourth section is the Warranty Notes section. This will display any warranty notes that have been added to this property under Properties, Manage Properties, Edit, and Notes tab. If you have any questions about the work order screen, please let us know by sending in a help ticket or by emailing us at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.